Oh, this is for science. Yeah.
Welcome back, and in today's video we have a personal request from the boy. Says his Nintendo Lite isn't working. And oh shuckies. Looks like only one of them's working. This thing has a function of low, medium, and high. 3 LEDs all together. And only one of them is working. Pooh. We can fix that. Now, I had done a repair like this on mine already. I had taken the entire thing apart, controller and all, resoldered all the points, took back any slack that it had. That way no wires were touching, nothing was shorting out. Didn't need to do all that because it was only the LEDs that weren't working. His seems to be put together a little better than mine. You see that hot glue on those leads there? Adding a little bit of solder to the leads. It helps with the desoldering process. Tried it without using the solder on the leads, and it was a lot harder. With the new solder and the old solder and a little bit of flux, you don't need a whole lot. I've seen people put a whole lot on. You really don't need that much. Also, cut a tiny little square off of wick. That way you're not using it off the spool. It makes it a lot easier to bend and manipulate so you can get the solder to go into all the threads of the wick. Heating up the solder on the bottom so it soaks up. Starting to come loose. And just like that, ta-da! A little isopropyl alcohol and clean off the motherboard there. Now the 10mm LEDs have a forward voltage of 3.2 volts. That is the same voltage rating, forward voltage rating for 5mm and 3mm LEDs. Testing out each one so that after assembly we don't find out that one doesn't work. Done that before and it sucks. Don't ask me why I bent the legs different. It just, I did. And it worked. So just, I did. And we're just going to leave it at that. Do not breathe in any of that smoke. Makes the air taste funny. And then trim off the excess from the cathode and the anode. And just like that, low, medium, high, they work. Sweet. Make sure the on and off functions work. Dim. The cover on, and awesome. Yes, that says Qapla'. That's Klingon for success. And if you don't know, you don't know. Because, ha! It works! Ha ha! Alright. Well, thanks for watching. And as always, I will see you later. All right.